Welcome. Enjoy English practice.
A quick fix at the auto shop.
Good morning. Welcome to Star Auto Shop. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I need some help. My car is making a strange sound.
I am sorry to hear that. What kind of sound is it?
It is a loud clicking noise. It happens when I turn the key.
I see. Does it make the noise while you are driving down the street?
No, only when I try to start the car. After that, it sounds normal.
Okay. When did this problem start?
It started 2 days ago. I'm a little worried.
Do not worry. You are in good hands here. Let's take a look.
Thank you. I really need my car to get to work every day.
I completely understand. Can you open the hood of the car, please?
Sure. Give me 1 second. Okay, the hood is open now.
Great. Please start the engine so I can hear the noise myself.
Okay, turning the key now. Did you hear that loud click?
Yes, I heard it clearly. You can turn the engine off now.
Is it a big problem? I hope it is not too expensive to fix.
Let me check the battery first. Sometimes the fix is very easy.
Take your time. I will wait right here by the door.
Aha! I think I found the issue already.
Oh, that was fast. What is wrong with it?
The metal wire connected to your battery is very loose.
Really? It is just a loose wire?
Yes, because it is loose, the battery is not getting a strong connection.
Wow. Can you fix that for me today?
It is a piece of cake. I can fix it right now in 2 minutes.
That is wonderful news. How much will it cost?
Since it's just a quick fix with my wrench, I'll only charge you $10.
Only $10? That is very kind of you.
You are welcome. I'll tighten the wire right now.
You are a lifesaver. I was afraid I needed a brand new engine.
Your engine is perfectly fine. Okay, the wire is tight now.
Should I start the car again to test it?
Yes, please try starting it one more time.
Okay. Wow, look at that. No clicking noise at all.
Good as new. Your car is ready for the road.
Thank you for your fast and honest work. Here's $20. Please keep the change.
Thank you very much. Have a safe drive to work.
I will. Have a great day.
A taxi ride downtown.
Hello, welcome to my taxi.
Hi, thank you. Are you available right now?
Yes, I am. Where can I take you today?
I need to go to the Grand Hotel on 5th Avenue, please.
Sure thing. Do you have any heavy bags?
Just this one small backpack. I will keep it with me.
Perfect. Please remember to put on your seatbelt.
Okay, my seatbelt is on.
Great. Let's hit the road.
How long is the drive to the hotel?
It usually takes about 20 minutes.
That is good. I have a meeting in 30 minutes.
We will definitely get you there on time.
Thank you. The city looks very busy today.
Yes, it is. Rush hour. Everyone is going home from work.
Oh no, look at all those red car lights ahead.
There is a lot of traffic on this main street.
Are we going to be stuck here for a long time?
The cars are not moving at all. There might be an accident.
Oh dear, I really cannot be late for my meeting.
Do not worry. I know this city very well.
Can we take a different street?
Yes, I will turn right at the next corner.
Is that a faster way to the hotel?
Yes, it is a small side street. We can beat the traffic this way.
That is a great idea. Thank you for thinking fast.
No problem. Helping my passengers is my job.
It is much quieter on this street.
Yes, and we are moving again. We are almost there.
I can see the hotel building now.
See? We arrived safe and sound, and you are 10 minutes early.
You are a wonderful driver. How much is the trip?
The total is $15, please.
Here is $20. Please keep the change as a tip.
Thank you very much. Have a great meeting.
Thank you. Have a nice evening.
A delicious dinner at the diner.
Good evening. Welcome to the Star Diner.
Hi, do you have a free table for one person?
Yes, we do. Please sit right here by the window.
Thank you. This is a very nice table.
Here is your menu. My name is Tom. I am your waiter today.
Nice to meet you, Tom. I am Sarah.
Are you ready to order a drink, Sarah?
Yes, I'm very thirsty today. Can I have a cold lemonade?
Sure thing. Would you like a small or large glass?
A large glass, please, and lots of ice.
No problem. Take your time to look at the food menu.
Actually, I need a little help. There are too many choices.
I am happy to help. What kind of food are you looking for?
Well, I do not eat meat. I need a vegetarian meal.
I see. Many customers love our chicken burger, but we have great meat-free food too.
That is good to hear. What do you recommend?
Our fresh garden salad is nice, but it is a bit small.
I am very hungry right now. Do you have a hot meal?
Yes, we have a wonderful cheese and mushroom pizza.
Oh, I love mushrooms. Is the pizza very big?
It is a medium size. It is perfect for one hungry person.
That sounds delicious. Are the mushrooms fresh?
Yes, we get fresh vegetables from the market every morning.
Perfect. I will have the mushroom pizza, please.
Great choice. Would you like any side dishes with that?
Maybe some French fries. Are the fries vegetarian?
Yes, they are. They come with ketchup and mayonnaise.
I will just take ketchup, please. I do not like mayonnaise.
Got it. One mushroom pizza, fries with ketchup, and a large lemonade.
That is correct. How long will the food take to cook?
It will take about 15 minutes.
That is very fast. I cannot wait to eat.
I am sure this hot meal will really hit the spot.
I hope so. Thank you for your excellent help, Tom.
You're welcome. I will bring your cold drink right away.
Finding the train station.
Excuse me, miss. You look a little confused. Do you need some help?
Yes, please. I am completely lost right now.
Do not worry. Where are you trying to go today?
I am looking for the central train station.
Oh, the train station. You are actually on the right track.
Really? That is such good news. I have been walking in circles.
Is your phone map not working?
No, my phone battery is dead. I cannot see the map at all.
That happens to everyone. Do not panic. The station is not far from here.
How far is it? I have a heavy backpack with me.
It is only about a 10-minute walk from this corner.
Oh, that is very close. Can you please tell me the way?
Sure. Look down this road. Do you see that tall red building?
Yes, I see the red building at the end of the street.
Good. Walk straight down this road toward that building.
Okay, walk straight ahead. What do I do next?
Keep walking until you see the traffic lights.
Traffic lights. Do I cross the street there?
No, do not cross. Just turn left at the traffic lights.
Okay, turn left. Is the station on that street?
Almost. After you turn left, walk for 2 more minutes.
2 minutes. Will I see any big signs?
You will walk past a large green supermarket on your right.
A green supermarket. I will definitely remember that.
Right after the supermarket, you will see the station.
Is it a big building? Will it be easy to see?
Yes, it is huge. It has a giant clock on the front. You can't miss it.
A giant clock. That sounds very easy to find.
Yes, finding it will be a piece of cake.
I really hope so. My train leaves in 30 minutes.
You have plenty of time. You will get there early.
Thank you so much for giving me a hand. You are very kind.
You are very welcome. Enjoy your time in the city.
Thanks again. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Have a safe and happy trip on the train.
Getting medicine at the pharmacy.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the city pharmacy.
Good afternoon. I need to get some medicine today.
I can help you with that. Do you have a prescription?
Yes, I have the paper from my doctor right here.
Thank you. Let me take a look at it.
Is there a problem? You look a bit confused.
The doctor's handwriting is very messy. It is hard to read.
Oh no, I am sorry. He wrote it very fast this morning.
Let me hold it under the light. Ah, I see it now.
What does it say? I have a very bad sore throat.
It is a prescription for antibiotics. You must be feeling under the weather.
Yes, I feel terrible. My throat hurts when I swallow food.
Do not worry. We have this exact medicine in the store.
That is a relief. I was worried you did not have it.
Do you prefer to take liquid syrup or small pills?
Small pills, please. They are much easier for me to take.
Okay, I will put 14 pills in this small bottle for you.
14 pills. How many days will this medicine last?
It is enough for 7 days.
How often should I take the medicine?
You need to take 2 pills every single day.
Should I take one in the morning and one at night?
Exactly. That is the best way to do it.
Do I take them with food or on an empty stomach?
Please take them after a meal. It is better for your stomach.
I understand. I will take them after breakfast and after dinner.
Also, remember to drink plenty of water with each pill.
I will definitely do that. Is there anything else?
Make sure to finish all the pills even if you feel better.
Okay, I will not stop early. I will take them for 7 days.
Good. You will be back on your feet before you know it.
Thank you so much for your help. How much does it cost?
The total is $12, please.
This is $15. You can keep the change.
That is very nice of you. Thank you.
You are welcome. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Go home and get some rest.
Did you enjoy this video? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.